Race number one. Away they go. Uptown Girl. Fast to begin. Running by the rallies remind me. The Moonligo racing in third. Moving up is Princess Wenda. Lekenki. Lion fourth. Running six by the route seven. Sunny Sabayorum. Silent Power. Second last. And Angelus running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. Uptown Girl by about 2 lines. Remind me. Princess Wenda is racing in third from the outside. And 4 lengths corner backing for the favorite, the Mungligaw. And rounding the far turn, Uptown Girl by about 2 lines, followed now by Princess Wenda. Remind me, racing in third, rushing up the Mungligaw as they race the final corner. Uptown Girl rushing up is Princess Wenda to grab the lead. Princess Wenda, Uptown Girl, Damong Ligaw, Silent Power on the outside, Remind Me, Lekenki, Lion Fort, it's Princess Wenda, Damong Ligaw, rushing up, moves up to take the lead, it's now Damong Ligaw, and finally the icebreaker, Damong Ligaw, Princess Wenda, Lion Fort, Silent Power, and Uptown Girl for your Fentafecta.